Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato soup in a cooker. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Make sure to have your pressure cooker ready, along with a blender for later. Chop your tomatoes and onion into roughly 1-inch pieces, and mince the garlic. This preparation makes the cooking process smooth and quick. Now let's get cooking. Start by adding a tablespoon of olive oil to your pressure cooker and sauté the chopped onion and minced garlic for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Next, add your chopped tomatoes, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Stir everything together, then secure the lid on your pressure cooker. Cook on high pressure for 8 minutes, then carefully perform a quick release of the pressure. Once the pressure is released, carefully open the lid. The mixture will be hot, so transfer it to a blender in batches if necessary. Blend until the soup is completely smooth and creamy. If you prefer a richer texture, you can add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream or milk at this stage. Pour the blended soup back into the cooker to gently reheat. Serve hot, garnished with fresh basil or crunchy croutons for a delightful meal. And there you have it. A delicious and easy homemade tomato soup made right in your pressure cooker. Remember, you can always adjust the seasonings to your liking. A little sugar can balance the acidity of the tomatoes. This soup is perfect for a cozy evening and stores well in the fridge for up to 3 days. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.